Hello friends. A series of recent developments across global agriculture, trade and energy sectors shows how interconnected today's economy has become. Let's begin with today's latest developments in the commodity sector. The first latest development is related to the impact of Iran war. Although peace talks are underway, the war's impact is being felt across multiple nations. Ongoing Iran conflict has severely disrupted Myanmar's fertilizer supply, as the country relies heavily on Iran for urea imports. Rising fertilizer and fuel costs are increasing farming expenses, and shortages are making farming more difficult. Undoubtedly, the upcoming rice harvest is at risk. Farmers are struggling to get essential inputs, which may lead to lower crop yields. Food prices are expected to rise. Food insecurity could worsen. The situation adds to existing economic and humanitarian challenges. Here comes the second latest development. MP, which is known for its basmati rice, has always remained in headlines. This time due to a target to procure 100 lakh metric tons of wheat for the 2026 and 7 marketing season. The Madhya Pradesh government has set this target after receiving approval from the centre for an additional 22 lakh metric tons. Moreover, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav said the move will ensure better MSP-based returns for farmers and strengthen wheat procurement amid a bumper harvest. Now, the third latest development is associated with India's textile and apparel exports, which have declined in financial year 2026, reflecting weaker global demand and trade pressures. The sector saw contraction across key segments, with textile and apparel both recording negative growth during the fiscal year. The downturn was further intensified in March 2026, when exports fell sharply year on year, highlighting ongoing challenges such as tariff-related pressures, competitive export markets, and subdued overseas orders. Let's begin with the fourth latest development. At present, India has emerged as Sri Lanka's fastest growing major export destination in the first quarter of 2026, with exports rising about 12% year on year to nearly $287 million. The growth helped India surpass the UK to become Sri Lanka's second largest export market. Overall, exports showed modest growth, supported by sectors like coconut-based products, electronics, and processed food, even as shipments to the US declined. The trend reflects Sri Lanka's increasing shift toward regional markets and reduced dependence on traditional Western destinations. The fifth latest development is related to solar energy, which is transforming rural agriculture by reducing dependence on costly diesel and unreliable electricity. Solar-powered solutions like irrigation pumps and on-farm energy generation are improving productivity, lowering input costs, and ensuring a reliable power supply. It also emphasizes the rise of integrated models, where farmers can generate electricity alongside crops, creating additional income streams. With supportive government policies and falling technology costs, solar energy is set to play a major role in making farming more sustainable and economically resilient. Overall, these developments underline a broader transition in which external shocks, policy decisions, and technological adoption are jointly influencing agriculture and trade outcomes. As countries adapt to changing conditions, the focus is increasingly shifting towards resilience, sustainability, and diversification. We'll keep you updated with more such latest developments. Till then, stay safe and stay informed, and thanks for watching.